Everybody, I'm going to give myself 1 week's time of practice to solve a Rubik's Cube as fast as I can. I'm hoping to do it in under 2 minutes. Alright everybody, it's day 2 solving Rubik's Cube. Yesterday I was struggling and my first cube actually took me an hour and 20 minutes. Today, after much practice, I finally got it down to under 5 minutes. I'm trying to get finish the Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes today. Wish me luck. Timer start. Made it 4:52. Just 2 minutes 52 seconds left to cut. I looked at my own instructions for a bit, so gotta memorize that and get faster finger movements. Alright, so this is the end of day 4. I got my solve time to under 4 minutes, but it's still not fast enough. I'm also trying to do F to L, which is doing the first 2 layers instead of doing it one by one like the beginner method. Day 7, I'm gonna try and attempt this today, break the 2-minute barrier. Here we go. Timer, press now. Minutes 21. First time trying out with glasses today. Hopefully, like the juggling video, I'll be able to do it in 2 minutes. Timer. Go. One minute 50, guys. Perfect. Took me a long time. I tried at least 8 times today, but first time with glasses, did it again.